In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a savings account on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what each option means, and how to confirm everything with confidence. Start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you're on the home screen. This is where you can see your balances and recent activity. From here, tap the More button. This opens a menu with extra features and settings. In that list, select Add New Account. This is the direct route to setting up a new place to save. If you prefer, there's an alternative path that leads to the same result. Simply scroll down on the home screen until you find Savings and Funds and tap it. Both paths take you to the same choice screen, so use whichever is easier to spot in your app layout. Next, you'll choose the type of savings account you want. You'll usually see options like Instant Access Savings and Flexible Cash Funds. Instant Access Savings is designed for quick access to your money, typically aiming for stability and ease of withdrawal. Flexible Cash Funds, on the other hand, can offer different risk and return profiles, often with exposure to money market or cash-like instruments. Availability and details can vary by region, and rates or returns may change over time, so take a moment to read the on-screen descriptions carefully. Look for notes on access, potential returns, currency, and any protections or terms that apply. Once you've considered the differences, select your preferred option and tap Continue. At this point, the app will guide you through a short set of on-screen steps. This may include reviewing a summary of the account, checking the currency, and agreeing to the relevant terms and disclosures. Pause here to make sure everything looks right for your needs. Things like the account name, the type you picked, and any key conditions presented. If something doesn't look as expected, use the back arrow to make adjustments. When you're comfortable with the details, confirm to create your account. The app will process your request, and within moments, your new savings account will be set up. You'll see it appear among your accounts or under the Savings and Funds section, ready to use right away. That's all there is to it. Open the app, navigate to Add New Account or Savings and Funds, choose between Instant Access Savings and Flexible Cash Funds, continue, review, and confirm. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Revolut savings setup.